Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we are in Barbaresco winemaking region, so we should talk about nothing else than Barbaresco wines. In one of my recent videos, I refer to Barolo being the king of wines. If Barolo is the king of wines, that makes Barbaresco the queen. Like Barolo, Barbaresco also must be made from Nebbiolo grape variety. It is sometimes compared to other great red grape varieties such as Pinot Noir and Sangiovese, as it can be very fussy. But in right hands, it can make marvelous wines. While Nebbiolo is also planted outside of Italy, most notably in California, its plantings are marginal, and it really seems to excel here on the gentle hills of Langhe, especially in Barolo and Barbaresco winemaking area. I find Nebbiolo to be quite unique. It shows high levels of tannin that in youth can sometimes feel harsh or astringent. They do mellow and smoothen up with age though. It also shows very high acidity and tends to develop elevated alcohol levels. But before these structural elements scare you away, you should also know that Nebbiolo can develop the most inviting flavors, showing depth and concentration. Nebbiolo also tends to have very light color, and even in its youth you can see a lot of brick and orangey tones. Just like Barolo, Barbaresco DOCG is a protected winemaking area, and a great deal of its fame is thanks to one of its best-known wine producers, Angelo Gaja, who is also credited to be the one who has put Barbaresco on the map. While Barbaresco vineyards are generally located lower than those of Barolo, they still must be planted on the hillside facing the best exposure. Some might say that Barolo and Barbaresco show two sides of Nebbiolo, with general belief being that Barolo brings structure and power, while Barbaresco shows lightness and elegance. I truly believe that these lines are more blurred than they were some time ago, and I am not so sure that I could distinguish Barolo from Barbaresco in the blind tasting. It is because a lot of it is influenced by the winemaking choices. Barbaresco wines show elevated tannins and high acidity. They are rich and full-bodied red wines with great aging potential, but they also might seem more open and perfumed in their youth, and dare I say, lighter. Barbaresco is concentrated and complex wine that shows notes of red forest berries and dried florals. With age, it can become increasingly earthy, showing notes of forest floor and autumn leaves. Cheers! I truly believe it can be a great partner to a wide range of game, such as wild boar, especially if it has been prepared in a hearty stew. Like Barolo, it is undeniably perfect for all kinds of mushroom dishes, and it will stand proudly next to expressive flavors of truffles. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to watch my other video on Barolo wine. Click here.